is what makes me feel calm and happy. Mum and Triggs meditate to feel calmer and happier, but I bounce! Whee!
Just keep breathing, nice and relaxed.
Just keep bouncing, nice and relaxed.
The sound of the ball makes me happy.
Bouncing up and down makes me happy.
Breathing in and out makes me